is fucking ridiculous. Boy Knockout 360 here with another video for you guys. So as you can tell, I'm doing something a little different. This is my man Matthew Morales right here, man.
What's up, guys?
Yeah, man. So today I am in a Camaro ZL1, man. This ain't no Dodge. This ain't no, you know, this ain't Mopar. This is Camaro right here. ZL1, man. The top of the line, the best of the best, man. And I'm just hanging out with my man Matthew here. And he's from Headturners as well. I'll put his link and everything to his Instagram in the description. So we're testing out his badass car. I'm sure you've seen it. Black all the way around, big ass tires, just the whole nine. This thing is loud as shit. And I'm gonna let him talk about it here. So Matthew, what year is this, man? Break it down. What kind of car is this? What are we in?
It is a 2013 Camaro ZL1. Got a couple things done. That's one of them.
That's one of them.
That's one of
them.
Damn. Got a cold air intake on it, and just a few minor bolt-ons, man. Just a tune, of course, dyno tune.
Okay.
Just keeping it not crazy power, but a good enough power.
Got you.
Fun.
Now, stock, what do these cars come with? Aren't they like 530 or 480? 580 stock.
580, but that's crank power.
Okay.
I threw it on the dyno. It came out. It was 467 to the wheels.
Okay.
It's making like 550 range now to the wheels. So
gotcha.
Made a big difference for sure.
Gotcha. And then you just recently did something to it, right? The headers or whatever?
Yeah, it's Cook's long tube headers. They're 1 inch 7/8 headers with off-road pipes. So no high flow cats, just off-road pipes. So it's loud.
Gotcha.
It's real loud.
That shit is loud as fuck, y'all. I don't know if you can hear it. I'm sure you can, but this thing is loud as shit. You hear that? Give another one. This thing is fucking ridiculous. Man, so let's see. So you just got the long tube headers done, right?
Yes.
Can you tell a difference in performance?
For sure. It gained a lot of power to the wheels. It really, just the tune alone without the headers, it just opened up the car.
Yeah.
The car, it just drives way better. The tune, because it's a tune from the engine to the transmission. The way you felt the hardest shift, you can probably see it in the camera.
Yeah.
Just the headers just lets the car breathe.
Exactly, man. And trust me when I say it's breathing for sure, man. That fucking pull was hard as shit, man. So prior to the headers, I mean, was it pulling anything close to that? I mean,
it was, yeah.
Okay.
But headers, it's a different car now for sure.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
It's for sure different. Something it's not that expensive. I mean, it's expensive, but it's something you can do.
Yeah.
That'll just completely change your car.
Gotcha.
And the car was tuned by SS LXS Tuning.
Gotcha.
And they're out in Concord. I don't have their stuff with me right now, but it's at my house.
Gotcha. We'll put that information in the description or whatever. So what are we riding on here? What tires, what rims, what size, all that good stuff, man?
Okay, so the fronts are just stock. So keep the front stock because, I mean, you really need rear tires to put power down. So the fronts are stock. The rears are NT05Rs and they're 315s.
Damn. And you don't have to use a spacer or anything like that for them, right?
No.
That shit just fits under
it fits. And the rims aren't stock though. They're reproductions of what the stock ones look like, but they're in black chrome.
Yeah. That black chrome is serious business, man. I mean, it's almost like, well, obviously, you know, just the name or whatever, with it being chrome, you see the shine, but at the same time, it's got that gunmetal look to it.
It does. It's hard to tell if it's black or chrome. It's just like...
Exactly.
So just cruising, I mean, it's loud, but it's not, until you press it, like, really, like, push down the gas a little bit, it's not that bad.
It's still loud as fuck, man.
Yeah, it's still loud.
Even when you don't put the gas down, it's still loud as fuck. So you got, like, a couple different modes and shit in here, too, right?
Yeah, so what you got is, get you so tour mode right here, which I'm in right now. It'll keep your steering wheel loose, so it's like really loose to feel, and your pedals stay loose, And also your suspension on the car is really loose. So around corners, you'll feel how loose it is. But as soon as you drop it in sport, so this has nothing to do with the transmission. As soon as you drop this in sport, stiffens your steering wheel, your pedals get real stiff and your suspension's hard. So around turns, cornering fast, keeps your car planted well. Keeps it balanced.
Now, does that fuck with the exhaust or anything like that? Like, do you have active exhaust or anything like that?
So originally the car comes stock with active exhaust.
Gotcha.
I'm just starting to traction control off.
Okay.
It comes stock with active exhaust, so it'll, I forgot what RPM it activates, it'll open up the flap.
Gotcha.
I pulled the fuse, so it just stays open all the time.
This man don't give a fuck, man. He don't care about neighborhoods, no shit like that. He doesn't give a damn. This neighborhood is so quiet, man, and they got like security patrol and all that shit rolling through. And you said that you have to, like, you know, just stay off of it when you're in the neighborhood, right?
You pretty much gotta just roll, give it a little gas and just roll as far as you can, give it a little more gas just to make it not piss everyone off yet.
See, that's how you know your shit is loud as shit, man. And you took it to the track last night, right?
Yes, we ran 8th miles. I ran a 7.9 and a 7.8, one of my best times. Pretty consistent times, but the weather wasn't there, and with supercharged cars, they like cold weather. Yeah. It was about 80 degrees. So.
Oh shit, I didn't know that. They do like cold weather?
Yep, cold weather in this car. When I used to, if it was like 15 out, it's a totally different animal.
Damn. Yeah. I've always heard that, like, you're not supposed to run your super expensive cars or whatever in the cold weather or something like that. Fucks with the engine. But okay, supercharged. I didn't know that. You learn something every day.
See, maybe high-ender cars that aren't supercharged, maybe that's different. I don't know though, but I know boosted cars, like, because I drive this car a lot. It's usually my weekend car. When it was really cold, it's a completely different car. It pulls way harder. So, do you have any issues with traction and shit like that? Because I know with these big ass tires, like, you shouldn't get loose, but all this power. Yeah, I mean, when I didn't have stock tires, it was bad. It was real bad. When I had stock tires, and these help a lot. I mean, you'll have moments when it gets colder. You get more power, but also the streets are cold, so your tires are not hot. Right. So it'll kick out here and there if you're really on it in like first or second gear, but it's nothing like you see like in videos where people are just completely sideways. It plants pretty well.
Gotcha. And with it being a ZL1, it's low to the ground, big ass tires. I'm sure it's good, like, you know, cornering and on the track and shit like that too, right?
For sure, yeah. I mean, it was a lot better with stock tires because now I'm on radial, so it kind of like, it changed the way the car drives. It for sure does. It doesn't corner as well for sure, but you're on big radial, so you can't really expect that, you know?
Right, but mostly you do a lot of drag racing in this car, like straight, you know?
Yeah, it's just straight line performance for me.
Gotcha. Now, does this have like launch mode or anything like that, or you just got to know what you're doing?
So manual, like Griff's car, he's another Headturners guy. He has a yellow ZL1. You've probably seen it on his channel. Yeah. Manual ones do have launch control. Gotcha. Autos, because this one is auto, I just changed up the shift boot. I didn't like the plastic. Okay. So I changed, so these don't have launch control, so you gotta launch it yourself.
Gotcha. You just gotta know what the hell you're doing. Gotcha. Okay, and you said last night you beat a Scat Pack Challenger?
Yeah, it was back and forth. We were just going back at it. He's a tuned out car. He's on some race stars, but we were just back and forth.
That's what's up, man. That's what's up. You hear that? That shit is ridiculous. Even in the car with the windows rolled up, that shit is so loud. I'm about to get a hard pull. I already know it. Shit. Shit. Yeah. That's how you do it right there. So yeah, those headers make a fucking difference, man. Listen to the downshift. Damn. You gonna do it? Motherfucker's crazy. This is a sick ass car, man. This car is dope, man. I mean, so what are your other plans for it? Do you have anything else you want to do to it at this point?
Yeah, so I'm just trying to do things little by little. I'm not trying to dump all my money in my car. So my next thing will be smaller pulley for sure, and injectors, because you can't go smaller pulley with the injectors I have. Gotcha, and man. With the mods I have, the injectors won't support it.
Gotcha. Is that a GTO right there?
That is an older GTO.
You see that GTO?
Yep.
That's dope as shit. Listen to the pops. Fuck yeah, that's clean as shit. So yep, I'm gonna take over the wheel. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah, you should see a red light come on or something. Ooh.
So you better
how low it is. All right, we about to get on it.
Drop it down one more.
One more?
Yep.
Shit. Hold on, bro. Hold on, let me make sure ain't no cops around. All right, I'm about to drop this shit. I love this shit. I love this shit. God, if the fucking highway wasn't packed right now, man, we could really get on this shit.
Oh yeah, we go to jail.
Exactly.
That shit pulls.
God damn. Look at me out of this car, bro. You can see we are back safe and sound. Your boy was able to tame the beast here. I got my man Matthew, man. Appreciate you, bro.
Anytime, man.
Headturners, man.
Hell
I'm telling you, you need to become a head turner and stop playing around for you guys out there, man. But as always, ZL1 Camaro. It's been your boy Knockout 360. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, man. I got a night meet tonight, so it's gonna be dope. I got my charger around the corner, and that's about it, man. Look at this beast.
Peace.
All right, y'all. You heard the man. We out. Peace.